Hey everyone, in this quick Godot 4 tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a basic AnimationTree State Machine for a 2D character, super fast. We'll connect 3 animations, idle, walk, and attack, using an animated sprite 2D, an AnimationPlayer, and an animation tree. Let's jump in. Alright, here's our 2D character scene. We have a character body 2D as the root, an animated sprite 2D, and inside it, 3 animations, idle, walk, and attack. Make sure your animations are already created inside Animated Sprite 2D. Idle should loop. Walk should loop. Attack usually does not loop. If that's ready, we're good to go. Now right-click the character node. Click Add Child Node and add an animation player. We need this because the animation tree works with animations from the animation player. Select the animation player. Click Animation New and create 3 animations, idle, walk, attack. Now for each one, we'll animate the Animated Sprite 2D's animation property. For idle animation, click Add Track, choose Property Track. Select Animated Sprite 2D Animation. Insert a keyframe. Set value to idle. Add another track, choose Call Method Track. Select Animated Sprite 2D. Then insert keyframe. Choose Play Function. Repeat for walk and attack. Setting their respective animation names. Perfect. Now let's add the magic. Right-click the character again. Add Child Node. Add Animation Tree. Select Animation Tree. In the inspector, change Tree Root to Animation Node State Machine. Assign the Animation Player to the AnimationPlayer property. Now click on the Animation Tree to open the graph panel. Inside the graph, right-click. Add Animation Node. Create 3 nodes, idle, walk, attack. Now connect them using Connect tool. First connect idle to walk. Then select the transition path. Look at Advance option in Property. Create condition parameter, name it as moving. Now connect back from walk to idle. Create another condition parameter, name it idle. Now connect from idle to attack. Add condition parameter, name it attack. Connect back from attack to idle. In transition property, expand switch and set mode to add end. Finally, connect from walk to attack. Set condition to attack. Set idle as the start node. Nice. Now we have a working state machine. Now let's control it with code. Open your character script. You can find this code under video description. Here I already set up movement input like move right and move left using AD on keyboard and attack using spacebar. You can setting input at project setting and go to Input tab. Now let's add logic for Animation Tree. First, get the Animation Tree reference. Then in Ready, active Animation Tree. Create a function to update animation parameters. This function will control moving animation and attack animation. Call this function inside Physics Process function with direction as parameter input. If you're curious about where is condition parameters stored inside Animation Tree, you can select Animation Tree and expand Parameters section you will see three condition variables there, which are idle, is moving, and attack. And that's how you create a basic animation tree state machine fast in Godot 4. Now your character can smoothly switch between idle, walk, and attack using proper state transitions. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more Godot tutorials. See you in the next one.